Right, hello you lot. Different episode this week. You know that I've been ill all the time. Mark's not very well this week, so I'm just going to try with a GoPro and a DJI, can't think which one it is now. I'm going to just try and put 10 minutes together, let you know where we are, bits we've got for the builds and where we are with the motorbike, where we are with the Mini. Yeah, so we just see. So we'll have a quick look at a few things like the cylinder head and everything with the spark plugs in the Kawasaki. And I'll explain sort of thing as we're showing you. This isn't going to be very good, I'm ever so sorry, but it's the best I can do. Don't know what I'm doing. There's the thing. Right, let's get the motorbike out, see what we got. Oh, before I go any further, here's the door, look. We've got a little bit of it done, look, it's primed on the, and I've primed the back too, look. So it needs another coat of primer, sanding down, and then we top coat it, which I'm hoping to try and have a go at this weekend, but there's a little bit I want to talk about there, because I've got some bits to try and make a spray booth, so yeah. Bear with. Right, let's get this motorbike out, we'll give it a bit of a shake, and we'll see what's what. The only thing is, the blooming clutch is locked on again. I think there's a song in there somewhere. Right, here we go. Let's get around. Now, can't get it into any other gear, so I'm gonna have to try first, I reckon. Alright, let's see what we got. Is it moving? No. I've got a horrible feeling we're going to have the head off, Steve. Right. I'm going to have the head off. Let me get the other camera. See what we got. Get both these going. Right, we've got ad cam. Got both mics going, so we just see. I'll do it twice, Mark. Now, here we go. Look, we've got that in there. What I've done, I don't know if we can see in there. Can we see in there? Can we see that the spark plug is in there still? We can get to it. I can see it. There we go. Look there. There's the spark plug. So I've put the spark plugs back in because I've put some thinners in there as well. Right, Marvel Mystery Oil, recommended by America. So we've put that down the bores, and that's been soaking for well over a week. So I think we're going to have the head off. I don't think it's going to be. Any different. It's worth a try, wasn't it? So yeah, so that's that. So let's move the bike back. And then we'll get the other bits that we need. There we are. Now, right, let's go and get these tarpaulins. I'll be back in a minute. Just gonna go to the van. Now, there's a load of bits come here. I'll show you an ad cam in a minute. I'll do them first. But I've got an idea for a spray booth. So what I've done is, it's not the same without you, Mark. It's not easy. Certainly this camera stuff ain't. Right, what I've done, I've bought a load of clear tarpaulin. Well, say clear, they're slightly clear. They're slightly clear, so they will let light in. Light will be in there basically. And I'm just going to hang them up around the car. Like so. Yeah. On. little hooks on the ceiling. Little hooks on the ceiling. I don't know if we've got that. Have we got that? Dotted around the ceiling in a square around it, and then we just roll them up out the way. And we come to spray, let them down. I've then got a big 12-inch extractor with a 6 metre hose on it. And then we just have that inside and then just extracting everything out the side door. So that's that. The other bit is bits for the CNC Plasma Cutter. It's from JD's Garage, the plans and everything else. You can buy the 3D printed stuff and everything. We go into more detail, but that's all the bits for it basically, the controllers and everything, stepper motors, bearings. So if you're interested, we make this on the channel and show it on the channel if you want. Leave comments and then we'll take it from there. But yeah, there's a lot of stepper motors, you know, for the main X and Y, bands and cogs and all sorts. Arduino controllers. So that's all that in there. So if you want us to show that as a build, we will. Let us know. Levers for the Kawasaki, they've come. So yeah, I think that's about it really. Yeah, I think that's about it really. Don't think there's anything else I can tell you. But yeah, it's a really short one this week, I'm very sorry to say. Yeah, hopefully Mark will be sort of all right next week, and then we'll get another episode out. They give me a chance to put all this up and then perhaps try and spray some of it. I'm going to try and spray some of it this weekend. Yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks everyone. See you next week and get better soon, Mark.
Yeah, Adam, I've been having a look at the Facebook and YouTube and all that. I'll tell you what, we're getting some numbers coming up now. I'm quite pleased with that. The stats are doing really. I'll tell you what, the old...
I'll tell you what, mate, the stats, man.
It's not stat, man. It's Batman.